Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Vulcano Charcoal Barbecue by 7 Italy is an excellent choice for grill enthusiasts seeking a reliable and functional product. Constructed from black painted steel, the Vulcano offers a solid and durable structure, designed to withstand the test of time. The two side-by-side double-thickness chrome steel grates are food-safe certified, ensuring safe and even cooking, with a total cooking surface of 3,515 square centimeters. The grate adjustment system, allowing two different heights and operated by a convenient locking mechanism, adds versatility, enabling you to adapt the cooking to various needs. The removable ash drawers, also made of high-quality painted steel, are positioned beneath the grates for efficient ash management and easy cleaning. The spacious shelf beneath the cooking area provides additional space for utensils and ingredients. The Vulcano BBQ is also equipped with a closable lid featuring a convenient zinc-coated steel handle, which helps retain heat during cooking and protects the barbecue when not in use. Lastly, the wheels ensure easy maneuverability and stability on any surface. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.